how to log into your DBS iBanking. First of all, open any web browser you have and then simply search for DBS iBanking like this. And the very first link that shows up is the official website of DBS Banking, so just tap on it. And this will directly take you to the login portal. As you can see the login page right here. Here you will simply have to enter your user ID and your password, like so. You can enter your PIN like this and simply click on login. But for some reason, if you're not able to log in, make sure your login details are correct. And if you forgot your user ID or your PIN, you can recover it by tapping right here. This will send you a reset link on your email or your phone number, and you should be able to recover your ID or your PIN. And that's how you can easily log into your DBS Digi Banking. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.